only slurs. Okay, last of all, we have the pizzicato bit at the end, which is really hard. Okay, so we've been doing all this fast bows, circles, and then suddenly you're given something really hard to contend with at the end. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to do this. We've got an up, up. Now when you come off that up, up, you have to lift off. Okay, so I'll do it again. So lift off and stretch your finger out, your front finger. This is only possible if you have a really good bow hold. So check your bow hold's really good. Check your thumbs doing its job, and that your middle two fingers are really connected to the stick. Tuck that little finger in and we'll try it again. If you've got it right, the bow hold, you'll be able to bring that finger out. Now, just twist your hand over and land on the D string. Okay. Now you're going to do a pluck. Now to do a good pizzicato, you need to make a circle shape. So do those a few times. Okay. Now let's try doing it from the bit before. Lift, stretch out, land, third finger ready, circle, and then over to the G. Okay, try it one more time. Now as you can see, I'm not bowing, I'm not pizzicatoing where I would bow in the middle. I'm moving much further down over the fingerboard. That's the easiest and you'll get the best sound. One more time. Out, over, land. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to talk about is the form of this piece, how it fits together with the repeat marks. Now, as you can see, there's a repeat mark at the end of the second line, there's a repeat mark at the end of the sixth line and at the end of the eighth line. Okay, so the first section is repeated, second section not, third section repeated, fourth section repeated. Now at the end it says D, C, al capo, D, C, al fine, which means da capo al fine. Now da capo means go the head, so you go back to the head, which means go back to the top, you go back to the top, and then you go all the way to fine. Okay. It's really essential that you follow the notes in your book for this piece, because it's starting to, the piece is starting to get longer and more complicated, so write get as many things as you can in. Okay, so here we go, there's your D, C, al fine, and then the fine is here. Now with this style of piece, when you go back to the beginning, you don't do this repeat. This is just the way these kind of pieces always are. When you go back to the beginning, you only do that without the repeat, and you go to here. Okay? So, there you go. Good luck with this piece. It's fiendishly hard, but it's not if you break it down into bite-sized pieces. And you will get there, believe. And then the gateway to book 2 awaits.